Okay, we need to get to 5,000 likes so we can start with the analysis. Seems like an uptrend. We can see. Yeah, gold is currently. This is the 15-minute chart. I'm going to start the analysis soon, anyways. Okay. So, okay, perfect. We are at 5,000 likes. So now that we're at 5,000 likes, I can actually begin the analysis. Welcome back, guys, to another live. Hope everybody's doing great. We're back here live to analyze the Forex and cryptocurrency market. I'm going to analyze gold, and then I'll look at GBP/USD, Euro/USD, and if I have time, I'll look at also USD/JPY and Bitcoin. If this is your first time joining the live, welcome. It's nice to have you here. What I do here is I come live Monday through Friday from 10 p.m. Eastern time, and what I do here on the live is I normally analyze the Forex market and also do take some live trades. If I see a really good trading opportunity, I'll take it live here, and this is to just show you guys how it is that I make money from trading Forex. And you guys can also take I sent an invitation to someone by accident. Please don't accept it. You guys can also learn how exactly trading works, how exactly it is that people make money from trading and everything. So yeah, this is a great place for you beginners to learn. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, join my Telegram group so that you can learn more completely for free. The link to my Telegram group is on my bio. Okay, so I'm just gonna share the live on the live that I have on YouTube right now. I'm just gonna share it on the Telegram group so I can get, for those who want to watch the live on YouTube, you can join through this link here. The quality is not good on YouTube. Oh, interesting. That's a first. So what is it looking like? Is it like blurry or? Okay. That's interesting. I'm not sure why, but I'll look into it later. Okay. But for now, you can just join me on TikTok. If you cannot see the screen well, if the quality is not looking well on the other platform. Okay. So let me just jump straight into the analysis. Okay. We're going to look at analyzing gold, number one. So let's get started without further ado. So this is gold on the 15-minute time frame. Currently we are in well, the price is going higher. Okay, in this 15-minute time frame, it looks like the price is forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, as you can see here, this was our previous resistance here on 26.34. So I'm just going to put a line there. Okay, so this was our previous high that gold just broke above. Okay, so for those who are trying to promote some crypto and all that, please refrain from doing that, okay? This is not the place for it. So please stop spamming this live by sharing some coins that, no, it's not needed right now, okay? Please, thank you. Because for those who are watching on the other platform, okay, I can't mention the name, but please give this video a thumbs up. Let's get the likes up to 10. Currently it's sitting at 1. Please, if you can give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Okay. Okay. So let's start with analyzing gold. Okay, I'm gonna start off by just going straight to the daily time frame. Okay. So let's just look at the daily time frame number one. Okay, so this is the daily time frame. Market has been going well for the past week and a half. It's been going up. Okay, but we need to see what has happened in the past for us to understand what's currently happening right now. Okay, so few weeks ago, okay, during the month of towards the end of October, we can see gold was in this nice uptrend, right? It's going high, 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 and then it broke this low here, and then this is why we started dropping. Okay, now as we started dropping, the price started forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so we have resistance here. This was our last resistance here on the price, so it's between 20, what was it, 26.43 and 27.12. Okay, around there. That was basically the last low on the daily time frame, and this is the resistance. Okay, this was the resistance on the daily time frame between 26.43 and 27.12. All right, the market here on the daily time frame is currently bearish. Okay, we are not bullish, we are bearish, and our price got rejected massively at 27.12 because that was a very strong resistance on the daily time frame. All right, so we're heading down. Now we can see after this rejection, the next candle that followed was bullish. Okay, now this rejection here usually supposed to bring the price, all the way back down to this previous low. This is what I am anticipating gold. This is where I'm anticipating gold to get to eventually 25.38. Okay, that was the previous low here. Okay, so price hasn't gotten there yet. Right now we just seem to be hanging around here. Okay, so right now we want to be looking for, I'm going to say sells for now, just because gold on the daily time frame, it is bearish, and the best area to be selling, okay, on the daily time frame would have been up here at 27.12. Now price already got massively rejected, it's no longer there. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to the lower time frames and look for an area where the price could pull back to for us to join in the sell. Okay, so I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame to see that. So this is the 1 hour time frame, guys. Okay, now in this 1 hour time frame, what we see is that gold started the downtrend. Okay, you can see the downtrend a little bit more clear. We started, well, this was the uptrend it was in. It broke this low, and hence why we started dropping. Okay, so our previous low on this 1 hour time frame is sitting up here. Okay, so between 26.60. Okay, so that's our previous low, and the highest point they went to is 26.88. so this is our current resistance on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is now the best area to look for potential sell, is between 26.58 and 26.89. price is heading there right now. Okay, this is where the price is heading to right now. It's heading to that resistance to do a retest, because ever since it broke below it, okay, ever since it broke below that support, it never retested it. So now it actually is on its way back to retest 26.58, and then hopefully it will get rejected there to now start heading back down. So this means that if you want to try to sell gold, do not sell it right now, because you will basically lose, because the price right now is heading up. Okay, it's right now on it's on a mission to get to 26.58 around there, and then this is where you can look to enter a sell. Okay, so for now what you want to do is, well, this would be counter trending, but we can join in the buy. If we know that this is what the price is doing, we can join in the buy. Okay, and the time frame, we can do try to look for best entries and all that. Okay, because in the 1 hour we are bearish. Okay, but on the lower time frame, like probably 5 minutes or 15, it's going to look bullish, right? So we want to look to enter buys at around the support. Okay, so I'm going to scale down to the 15-minute time frame so we can see where that support is for us to look for potential buys. Okay, so we can actually sort of like see it on the 1 hour time frame as well. So you can see on the 1 hour time frame, price started forming higher highs and higher lows, right? So the previous high it just broke above is right here. So I'm just gonna mark it here. This was a previous high here. Price broke above, and now it hasn't come back to do a retest. And this is actually where we can look to enter a buy. 26.34 would be like yeah, 34 would be the best area to look for buy if we want to join in this move that it is doing to head to 26.58. Okay, so I just put a line there at 26.34, and then of course our low is at 26.26. This is now the support. Price shouldn't break below that level. If we're going to go up all the way to 26.58, it shouldn't break below 26.26. If we break below that, then it just means we are gonna head back down. Okay, start dropping. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So now let me just go on the 15-minute time frame. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 15,000. If you're just joining the live, you're welcome. It's great to have you guys here. What I'm doing right now, I am analyzing gold. Okay, so I do this every time I come to my live. I analyze here, I analyze gold, I analyze USD, I analyze Bitcoin and all that. This is a great place to learn if you're a beginner. Okay, platform that I use to place my trade is called abato.com. The link is in my bio. Sign up using it. This is a great trading platform that offers zero commission and very low spread. So you're going to be able to save a lot of money on trading fees. Okay, abato.com is the trading platform that I use. I'm going to write it down on the screen here very soon. Let me just finish with the analysis. Okay, link is on my bio. I am a beginner. What do you recommend? Okay, so if you're a beginner, well, I recommend you get a trading course. Try to get a trading course. If you're not able to afford a trading course, you can just go to a website called babypips.com and then just get basic general knowledge there. This is a website that provides you with free information about trading and all that. Okay, it's just basic. So you can start with that. You can also get this book called The Candlestick Trading Bible, which is also free. If you just go on Google and search Candlestick Trading Bible, you'll be able to see it. It's in a PDF file. Okay, download it and start reading that. Those are two resources that I can recommend for you guys who's beginners to begin your trading journey. Okay, now like I said, the other thing you can do is get a trading course. Okay, and I do offer monthly trading classes. which you can sign up for. My next trading class is going to start in January 2025, and currently I'm accepting new students to start enrolling. You can enroll for that class by going to my bio right now, my TikTok bio. You'll see a link there that says trading class. Click on that link, and then you need to fill the information. Okay, fill that form with your information and all that, and then I'll respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. This is a great place to to sign up for, because you're going to be able to learn a lot on how to trade from beginning to the end. And also I will share my scalping strategy in that class as well, which is super effective. Do you do trading classes? Do you offer copy trading? No, I don't do copy trading. I don't offer copy trading. So the class is on Zoom. Okay, if you want to know the price, please go to the link on my bio so you can see that. Okay, because I cannot mention anything that has to do with price, just because of the TikTok policy here. I cannot mention anything that has to do with price. Okay, so yeah, so we're looking to buy gold. Okay, right now we're looking to buy gold, and the area where we can look to buy is around 2634. Okay, and let me mark this. We have this low here as well. Okay, so between 2634 2629, this is actually the area where we want to look to buy gold. So we're gonna wait for gold to get to that area, then we will look for buy. Okay, and then for sell, well, right now there's the best area to sell is all the way up here at 2658, which is quite far away. The price is not there yet, so we now want to focus on selling right now. Okay, the best trade for us to take as of right now is going to be a buy at around 2634, 2632, 29, around there. Okay, depending on which one the price holds. If it comes to 2634 and it holds it, then we can buy. If it doesn't, then we wait for 2632, and if it holds that, we buy, and so on. Okay, so yeah, so let's wait for the market to get to that level. It's not there yet. Okay, so just patiently wait, and in the meantime I'm going to analyze something else. Okay, so we'll take a look at GBUSD next. Let me open up the chart. Okay, so let me open up GBUSD here. Let's keep tapping on the screen, guys. Thank you to everybody who's tapping. I really appreciate it, guys. Let's get the likes up, guys. Let's get the likes to 15,000. For the class is 6 weeks. It's a 6 weeks program, and the class usually runs 2 times per week. From the time of the class as of right now, I've been running it from 12:30 p.m. Eastern time, and it's for 2 hours. Okay, so for 2 hours, 2 times per week, Mondays and Wednesdays. This is how I've been running the class for a while now, and it works pretty well for everybody. But if I ever get a class where that schedule doesn't work for the majority of people, then I'll try my best to like work around you guys' schedule and stuff. But it is 2 hours long, 2 times per week. Okay, so GBP USD. Okay, let's just look at it here on the daily time frame. It is in a downtrend. Okay, it's in a downtrend, and our resistance right now on the daily time frame is at 25.94, 27.15. This is the current resistance for GPUSD. Okay, and we can see price return to that resistance here. Okay, the first part 25.95, and it got rejected, drop back down to this low here. Okay, it formed the low at around 24.93 there. And when is the next set of class taking place? The next trading class is going to start in January. The exact date has not yet been confirmed yet, but it will be in January 2025. And you can sign up for it by going to my bio. There's a link there. You'll see trading class. Okay, so on the daily time frame, okay, GPUSD, what I see here, it broke this low here, 25.95, and then it dropped all the way down to 24.89. Okay, and then after dropping to that area, it bounced back to test this resistance, 25.97, got rejected, came back down to 24.97 around there, and then now it bounced off again. Okay, so it's currently in a downtrend. Okay, so we want to look for we want to be looking to sell basically, because we are in a downtrend, and price already got rejected at 25.97. Now it's gone back up, so there's a chance it could be heading back. It could be going up to the next resistance here, which is 27.15, 26.80. Okay, that would be the next resistance area price could tap into. Okay, so yeah, so let's go on the 1 hour and just see. Let's see what the price is doing here on the 1 hour. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame. We can see we're currently moving sideways right now on the 1 hour time frame. The price has just been bouncing back and forth between 24.95 and 26.13, 26.11, around there. Okay, it's just been bouncing back and forth. So one of two things have to happen. If we break above 26, okay, if we break above 26.15, then we can look for a buy. The price is going to go up towards 26.90, 27.15. Okay, so we can buy once we break above this resistance. And then another area we can look for buy is at 25.15, 24.87. This will be the next area to buy. Okay, and currently we have this minor resistance here at 26.12. This whole zone here that you can see on the chart, this is our current resistance on the chart. So between 25.77 and 26.12, this is the current resistance on the 1 hour time frame. So this is an area to look for a sell. However, we need to be very careful with selling at this resistance, just because it is an area where price got rejected a lot of times already. Okay, so the next time it comes here, there's a high chance it could actually break that resistance. Okay, so just be careful with trying to sell. If you want to sell at this point, you know, I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, I wouldn't recommend it. It would be best to wait for the price to get to 26.12, 26.14, around their area, and see if we get rejected and sell. And then for buy, we want to wait around 25.13, 24.92. If we hold that, we can buy. Okay, and we can also buy once we break above 26.14. Okay, once we get a 1 hour candle to close above this resistance 2026.14, then we can buy. Okay, but for now, um yeah, for now price is just ranging. It's just ranging, so we can't really take any trades at this area. Okay, based on my scalping strategy though, okay, I can see we have this resistance here. Price got rejected. Okay, so based on that scalping strategy, the price it should come down here at 25.36. This is where I believe GPUSD is gonna come. Okay, based on my strategy, this is the strategy that I only teach in the trading class. Okay, so I can't really explain it here, but we do have this resistance here, which the price is gonna, it's already got rejected, as you can see. So I would sell GPUSD. I'm actually gonna place a sell on the trading platform that I use, abato.com. Okay, so yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Y'all just give me a second here. Battle.com. Double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes up. Double tap. Let's get the likes to 20,000. Okay, I'm gonna just log into the trading platform. On your bio, I can only see the trading. Wow, you're telling me that you don't see the link to the trading class on my bio. What's your question, John? Okay, I'm gonna just wanna change the music. Oh, okay. Yeah, GBP, USD, and Euro move in the same direction. Yeah, yes. So they move in the same direction. That's correct. Okay. So I'm I'm from Canada. I'm not from the US. Okay. So I'm just trying to. Okay, why are you in a cell? Whoa. What just happened? Okay. Can you please go down? I don't know why. How did this person get here? Please go down. Okay, I'll just disconnect. Yes, sir. What the heck happened? Guys, the TikTok out of nowhere just switched to uh-huh. Okay, so what the hell is going on? Oh, there's TikTok. Yeah, I cannot reset the live just because. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why the TikTok. Does anybody know how to bring this back? Is this I have no idea. How do you bring this thing back to full screen? Okay, so sell GOLD. Okay. Take profit number one. I'm gonna list them very soon. Okay, but it's gonna price is not there yet. Just note that where your stop loss is. It's at 1.2611. Okay. So okay. I need to figure this out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just end the live and then restart because for some reason I'm not able to make the screen wide. Yes, so I think I'm gonna just restart. Yeah, I'm gonna just restart the live and you guys try to rejoin. Okay, I'm restarting it right now. So just try to rejoin and then let's try to get the likes back to where it was. Okay, so Okay, so I've restarted the live. Yeah. Okay, so take profit number one, okay, for this GPUSD sell is gonna be at 1.26 or 25, 1.25, 52, okay, and then the TP number two, we're just gonna have two TPs for this trade. TP number two will be at 1.2533. Okay, so TP number two, 1.2533. Okay, so this is the sell, and I'm gonna place this sell on about.com. I'm gonna just show you guys how I will do that. Okay, so this is about.com. This is the trading platform that I use and recommend. It's really great to use. There's zero commission and low spread, so it is really great to use to help you save money on trading fees and all that. So I'm just waiting for the platform to load. Okay, so it has finished loading. So now I'm gonna place a trade for GPUSD. What I want to do is search for GPUSD. So you can see here on the list, this is GPUSD. I can just click on that, and I place the trade through this, or I can just search for it, which I'm going to do right now. So I just search for it. It's actually right over here. You can see it on the menu. Okay, so GPUSD, I select that. And then over here, I'm going to select my lot size. Okay, so for this trade, I want to be trading, I'm going to be using the lot size 0.8. Okay, so 0.8 lot size means that I'm going to be making 8, I can't see the digit, so $8. I'm going to be making $8 for every pips. So now once I select my lot size here, I'm going to now enter sell. Okay, because I am predicting that the price is going to go down, so that's why I enter a sell. Okay, so this is it here. You can see, okay, I entered a sell. I'm going to open another sell. Okay, so I'm going to actually enter two position. Okay, this is something you don't have to do, but I'm going to do that. Okay, so I can open another position if I want to, and then this time around I'll just use a smaller lot. Okay, so I'm going to use 0.6. Okay, 6-1, and then I will enter another cell. So now I have two positions open. Okay, I have my first cell with 0.8 lot size, and then the second cell with 0.6 lot size. Okay, now with this trade, areas where I'm looking at taking profit, we have two targets. First one is at 1.2552. Second target is 1.2533. Okay, the broker that I'm using here is about.com. This is the broker. This is what it looks like. Okay, about.com. I'm in this trade right now. So what I want to do now, okay, once you've entered the trade and everything, the next thing you want to do, you can set your stop loss and your take profit. Okay, so my take profits, I have two of them. I have this one and then I have this one here. Okay, so for the first trade, I will close my position at 1.2552. Okay, so what I want to do is go back to that trading platform here. Okay, and now I want to set my take profit. I can do that over here where it says TP. Okay, so I click on this pencil box Okay, and then in this area I want to put 1.2552. You see that? And then enter. Okay, so my take profit, oh no, this is the wrong trade. Okay, I want that to be on this trade instead. Okay, so let me put 1.2552, enter. So that's been set. Now the second trade, this is the second trade that I entered with 0.6 lot size, and I want to update this take profit. I accidentally put the first one, but I need to change that to 1.2533. Okay, so this is where I will take profit with the second trade. So I just click on this pencil box again and just update it. Okay, so let me remove this. So 1.2533, and then just press on enter. Now it is updated. Okay, this makes it so that when the price gets to this level, my trade is going to automatically get closed, so I don't need to like sit in front of the computer and be monitoring the chart all day. You know, a lot of people who don't know anything about trading, most people think that trading involves sitting in front of a computer all day. And I've heard a lot of people telling me, oh, they don't have time to sit in front of the computer the whole day to trade and stuff. But that's actually not true. You know, with trading, it's actually very simple. It does not require you to sit in front of the computer the whole day. You can literally, once you enter a trade, you set your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, your take profit is something that you set to close your trade. You telling the exchange to close your trade once the price gets to an area where you would like to close. Okay, and then the other thing you can set is called your stop loss. Okay, SL. Stop loss is basically something that you set when you know you're wrong about the trade. Let's say you believe price is going up, but then instead of the price going up, it starts going down. Once it gets to a certain level, you know at this point you were wrong about the trade, and you don't want to lose any more, you know, money and stuff like that. So you set your stop loss at that area. So for me, for this trade, this GBP trade that I'm in, my stop loss is going to be at 1.2611. Okay, so I'm gonna just go back to this broker that I'm using, abato.com, and I'm gonna just click on this pencil box. So for the first trade, I want to update that and put 1.2611. Okay, so this is the stop loss. This means that when the market gets at that area, I will no longer be in the trade. You know, the price will close, and then I'm going to be losing some amount of money at that area. Okay, so now the second trade, okay, the second trade that I enter, I will keep the SL at the same area. Okay, so I'm going to put this stop loss at the same area. Okay, let me go there. So the second trade, same thing. I'm going to put the stop loss around the same area. So that is 1.2611, and then done. Okay, so with these trades here, I can see what I am currently making over here on the far right. You can see right now I'm actually not in any profit. Well, I have negative 80 cents, negative $3. Okay, so I'm actually not in any profit yet. Okay, because, well, price is not is still like not below my entry. Okay, is this a swing trade? This trade here, I expect the price to hit hit the target, at least the first take profit within the next three, 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. This is when I expect the price to hit the take profit. Okay, so this is more of a day trading, not swing trading. Okay, so yeah, so that is basically it. And now I'm gonna try to explain to you guys why I took this trade. Okay, for you guys who may not know. Okay, so you need to know with trading, we don't just randomly come to the chart and guess, oh, I think the price is gonna go down, oh, I think the price is gonna go up. You know, you don't just randomly come and guess. Okay, you have to actually properly analyze the market, which is something that I did at the beginning of this live here. I analyzed GBP/USD, and based on my analysis, I came to a conclusion that the price is going to go down. Okay, because of this pattern that I'm seeing, I have a strategy that I trade and follow, and because of this strategy, it's telling me price is going to go down. So this is why I'm entering my sell. Okay, now if the price breaks above 1.2611, I know that I was wrong about this setup. Now I want to get out, because if the price breaks above 1.2611, it's going to go against me further. So this is why I have my stop loss here. Okay, so my stop loss is above this previous high over there, you see. So that's the previous high, and this is what the price is right now. I'm entering the sell from here, and I am anticipating the price will go all the way down to this bottom. Okay, so this setup here, number one, has to do with the fact that we are at resistance. Okay, so we have this resistance at 25.77. Okay, and we also have resistance at 26.12, and so on. Okay, now what we see here is that the price, as it was going up, okay, as it was going up, it hit the resistance here, and we see massive rejection. Okay, price just been moving sideways. Now it's not the sideways movement that's making me want to go ahead and sell. What's made me want to sell is the fact that the first attempt, once it hit that resistance, it got rejected. Okay, so based on this 1 hour candle, this is actually what I would go by to confirm that it got rejected. Okay, the next couple candles that follows is not what I am looking for. However, this just confirms the sell even more. Okay, the fact that we're getting a lot of candles, bearish candle at this resistance, just shows that it shows how bearish the market is, and it's most likely gonna head down. This is just signifying weakness, weakness, weakness. Okay, so GBP/USD needs to come back down. Okay, we have some support here at 25.52, which if it holds, it could bounce back up. Okay, and if that one support fails, the next support is all the way down here at 25.24, 25.31. That would be the next support. Next yeah, so that would be the next area where we can look to buy GPUs and so on. Okay, so yeah, so let's see how the trade plays out. It's probably not gonna hit a take profit during this live. Probably gonna be yeah, like I said, like 3 to 4 hours. This is when I'm expecting the price to hit that, at least the first take profit. So I'll keep you guys updated on the trade probably on tomorrow's live. Okay, so let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 5,000. Let's check on gold. It's been a while. We haven't taken any trade on gold, and I'm really like, I want to take a trade on gold. So let's see what is gold doing. I'm gonna just open up the chart. Okay, so oh, this is the wrong chart. Okay, so yeah, so this is the chart I actually want to look at. Oops, no, this is the wrong chart again. Okay, so this is the chart I actually want to look at. Man, gold never came back to that. It never came back to the support, unfortunately. Yeah, unfortunately, this is something that happens sometimes. Price breaks the resistance. You're waiting to enter a buy at a support, but guess what? It never comes. Instead, it forms a new support, and now it's going up. Okay, so looks like gold is not coming back to that 26.34 support. Instead, it has decided to form a new support here at 26.36. Okay, and yeah, so at this point I am gonna, let's see, because where we wanted to buy is down here. Price didn't come. Okay, so we have this resistance here. This is a resistance that I don't think price is going to really get rejected from. It's going to most likely be able to break that resistance easily. So what I want to do, okay, this is a little bit risky. So at this point, what I normally do, if I've missed the best area to buy, I'm going to scale down to a 5-minute time frame and see if we have any support at that area where price could pull back down to. Okay, So on the 5-minute time frame, we have a support right here. Okay, so there's this support at 26.38, which if the price pulls back to that area, this is actually where I'm going to be interested in entering a buy. Okay, if it doesn't, then unfortunately I can't really enter a buy because yeah, I don't like buying at the top. Buying here at the top is too risky because then my stop loss is going to be all the way down here, which is not really good. Okay, because anything can happen here. The price is literally, this is a resistance on the 5 minutes, so it could actually get rejected and reverse back. So for me right now, the best area, if I wanted to enter this buy, I need to wait for the price to come back down to at least 26.38. Then I will look for buy there. Okay, we're already sort of like seeing a sign that it could. Okay, we got rejected here at this resistance, so the price could actually come back down. Okay, now if it doesn't, then it does, that means I just missed the trade. So now I will wait for the market to form a new support elsewhere. Okay, eventually as it is going up, it's going to form a new support, right? So that would be something that I have to analyze the market, figure out, and then place my trade around there. Okay, always want to make sure I am buying at a support, not uh I'm not buying at a resistance. Okay, so for now, best area for me to actually sell is at 26.58. When the price gets there, this is where I want to look to sell, 26.58, and it's quite far away from where the price is. You can see this is the 5-minute time frame, so for the price to get here, it might take, it might take an hour or so. Okay, for the price to get here. Right now the volatility is not too, it's not the greatest, it's not that much. So I have created a support level on 15 minutes time frame, and price is currently respecting it. Coach John, Coach John, uh, what do you mean by you created a support level? Because from what I am seeing, I don't see any support right now. What I see is that the price is at a resistance. This is not a support. Okay, the support is actually down here. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame, the support is right now at 26.35. So between 26.35 and 26.38, this is the current support, best area to look for buy for now. Would it be okay to set a buy limit at 26.58? I think you meant to say sell limit. Yes, not a buy limit, because 26.58 is a resistance. You don't want to set a buy at 26.58. Like there is a resistance level there before, so expect market to break it immediately. Market break. Yeah, viral vault. You can set a sell limit at 26.58. Okay, you can set a sell limit there, but it is a resistance that it's not guaranteed price is going to get rejected there. So usually I prefer to wait for confirmation first. So instead of setting a buy limit, I advise you um, to set an alert. Okay, so set an alert there, and then when the price gets there, what you want to do is um wait for 1 hour bearish candlestick. Okay, so once the price closes a 1 hour bearish candlestick at that area, or even 30 minutes, okay, you can get a 30 minutes. Once we get a 30 minutes rejection, okay, at that resistance, then we go sell. That is when we sell. Okay, so so my Come on. This thing is so guys, just give me a second. I'm literally just fighting. Oh my goodness, my this thing here does not want to stand. Come on. Oh Jesus. So you want to give me a second. Okay. So I don't know what's going on. I think I'm just gonna just hold the phone for now because I'm currently charging this phone and it's preventing the tripod to stand. Are you taking live trades? So yeah, right now we are in a sell for GOLD. Let's see how that sells playing out. Okay. Usually I don't recommend watching your trade. Once you enter your trade, just close the chart, stop observing it, let the market do its thing. Whenever you are trading and you are looking at the chart at the same time, it can cause you to be emotionally led by the trade, which is not good. Okay, you always want to make sure you are not like you have zero emotion. Okay, never be attached to the trade emotionally, mentally, never. Okay, you have to be completely detached, and one way to do that is by making sure to not look at the chart once you are in a trade. Okay, unless you're scalping, of course, though. If you're scalping, then that is the only time you should be looking at the trade, because with scalping you're not looking at being in a trade that long. Okay, usually a few minutes you're in and you're out. So yeah, so scalping is the only time you should be monitoring your trade and stuff. Now check them out. The resistance has been broken, so let's see. Okay, so I actually like holding the stand here. It's a lot more. I feel like I can play around with this more. Okay, so this is gold. Okay, 15 minutes. This is actually 5 minute time frame that I'm looking at, and we see we have this resistance on the 5 minute. Okay, so this is 2640. You see there, 2640. Now this is not a very strong resistance. Okay, so I wouldn't place a sell just because of the price getting rejected here. It's not a very strong resistance. So yeah, so it got rejected, we can see, so there's a chance it's gonna come down. Now John, you're saying that the price broke the resistance, but I don't see that. Where exactly, where do you see that it broke the resistance? Because as far as I can see, it actually got rejected. It didn't break the resistance. A break of this resistance would mean we get um, a candle to close above here. This is what a breakout is. So far we don't see that. The price is still at the same area as it was over here where it got rejected. Okay, so it didn't break it yet. Okay, so for now, because of this rejection, there's a high chance it could be heading back down. Okay, and for us, or for me, for those who want to trade with me, we can look to enter a trade at around 26.38. Okay, this is what we want to buy. That's the only place to buy for now. Okay, and for sell, once we break above this, of course, this is going to turn into support. Okay, it's currently the resistance. When price breaks above it, of course, it turns into support, and this is where we look to buy again when the price pulls back. Okay, so yeah, so this is about it. I'm gonna keep watching this gold chart on my other screen. Okay, I'll keep watching it on my other screen there, and then okay, let me just And the music. Okay, so I'm also live here. Okay, let's see. Let's see what other markets we can trade. Okay, gold is not at an area to buy or sell, so we can't trade. Okay, so GPUS is something that we're already in a trade on, so can look at that. Let's look at Euro GBPUSD actually. Okay, so GBPUSD. Let's just head straight to the 1 hour. Oh wow, what a rejection. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, USD JPY, you can see it's just been going down. Okay, massive rejection, and we need to understand where is the price going exactly. So let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, so this is the daily time frame here for USD JPY. Okay, so on this time frame, what I see, we have an uptrend. Okay, and it's currently at a 152.14. This is the support of this uptrend that USDJPY looks like it may be on its way to breaking. Okay, if it breaks below this support 152.14, then guess what? It is going to start crashing further down. So we want to enter start looking for sells once we break below this. Okay, if we get a break below this on the 4 hour time frame, then we have now switched from this uptrend to now a downtrend. Okay, so we can now start selling at the when the price goes back to do a retest of this support. Okay, so 152 is the current support. 152.14 or 15 is the current support here for USDJPY on the daily time frame. Okay, so once the price closes below this the support here on the 4 hour time frame, okay, once we get a 4 hour candle to close below the support, then it is now shifted. Okay, now we're gonna look to sell at the pullback. Okay, usually what's gonna happen is we'll break below it. I'm gonna just show you. We'll break below it, drop. Now the 152 is supposed to turn into resistance, so now we can look to enter a sell when the price comes back to um, when the price comes back to 152.14, then we go ahead and enter a sell. Okay, so yeah, okay, so this looks like it might happen soon. Okay, it hasn't broken it yet. There's still a chance it could actually hold this support and actually bounce back up. Okay, so this is the current 4 hour candle. There's about, thank you for the roses sign. So there's about 1 hour and 11 minutes left for this 4 hour candle to close. Okay, so that's a lot of time for the market to decide whether it wants to hold the support or not. I'm actually going to go to the 1 hour time frame to see if there's any sort of signs that is showing us that the price is going to hold the support or not. Okay, so let's head over to the 1 hour time frame. So checking the 1 hour time frame right now, I actually don't see any signs that the price is giving me that it's going to hold that support. So yeah, there's no sign. A sign that I would love to see is either like a double bottom. Okay, if we got like a double bottom on the 1 hour time frame, this is a sign that the price is going to hold this support. Or if the price comes to this support, okay, which already is, if we get a 1 hour bullish candlestick at that support, then this is another sign that the price is gonna hold yeah, I'm going to hold that support. But for now, there's nothing that's indicating that we're going to hold the support. Right now, on the 1 hour, the price is currently bearish. Okay, it's been bearish for quite a while, forming these lower highs and lower lows, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to just try to figure out this resistance. Okay, so we had this low, this turned into resistance. Price just broke below this one here. Okay, this is our previous low, broke below that, as you can see. So this turns into resistance. Okay, so currently our resistance is right here. This entire zone here is our resistance. So if you want to enter a sell, anticipating that we're going to break below this support, okay, price could pull back up here 153 and then finally break. Okay, this is one of two things: either it break it from where it is right now, or it doesn't, instead return back to return back here to 153 and then come back to break it. Okay, so these are two scenarios that could play out. Number one, we break right from where we are, or number two, we retrace back up to 153 and then finally we end up coming to break it. Okay, so these are two scenarios that I see yeah, playing out. Now on the 1 hour time frame, this is our resistance, right? 153.02 all the way to 154.83. Now for us to actually resume bullish on this 1 hour time frame, the price has to break above 154. Okay, price needs to break above 154.76. Okay, we get a nice bullish candle above this resistance, then we can resume the bullish trend. Okay, but for now we are currently bearish, and it looks like it's about to break that support very soon. Okay, so for USD/JPY right now, we just have to wait. Okay, wait for either the price to hold this support. Okay, and if it does, then we buy. If it breaks below the support 153, then we will enter a sell at the pullback. Okay, we don't enter the sell the moment we break the support. Most people make that mistake, and this is very bad trading. It will make it so that you always you're going to be at a huge loss whenever you're trying to sell. The moment price breaks the support, you'll be at a huge loss. Okay, always wait for the pullback. Okay, be patient. Patient is key. We use the same strategy, but I missed mine with SNC strategy. That's cool. Yeah, this is a very I found that this is a really easy way to be able to predict whether the price is going up or down. Literally, I don't really use indicators or anything, no bots, nothing. I'm just able to look at the chart, analyze the market structure, mark out the resistance and support based on that market structure, and then just wait for the price to come there and wait for the confirmation, and then I sell. Okay, this always works a lot of the time, and super easy. Okay, super easy way of trading. So USD/JPY, unfortunately there's no setup, so let's just get out of this market. Okay, let's go back to gold and see what gold is doing. Yeah, this is no, this is the wrong chart. This is the chart here for gold. Okay, so switching to the 1 minute. Okay, you can see now we're getting massive rejection. This is exactly what I was expecting. Okay, I told you guys there was a high chance this was gonna happen. So yeah, so we're getting rejected. Now we want to wait for the support, for the price to come down to around 26 37 38, and then if we hold it, we're gonna buy. Okay, and then our stop loss, we're just, for this trade here, we're going to set our stop loss at around 26.35. okay, because this is now the low price has to hold. Okay, so I'm just going to put it here. This is going to be our stop loss, 26.35, and then where we want to buy is around 26.37, 26.38. okay, Hopefully the price gets there. I know it should get there, okay? Because right now we have no other support, okay? This is actually the closest support here. It's the lowest time frame, okay? So it's actually an area price is attracted to come to, um, yeah, before it can continue going up. So let's wait. I have about 5 more minutes before I end this live. So hopefully the price is gonna get there before we call it a day. If it doesn't, you guys can take this trade on your own. All you gotta do is um, just go to the 5 minute time frame and mark out this support here. Okay, support here is based on these two candlestick that you see. I'm actually going to change this to purple. Okay, let me change it to purple. It looks more attractive. Okay, so yeah, so the support is based on these two candles here on the 5 minutes. So you just connect those two candles using this rectangle box right here. Okay, and then wait for the price to come here. What we want to do is we want to see when the price comes here, I'm going to switch to the 1 minute time frame and then look for 1 minute bullish candlestick at that support. And if I see that, then I'll go ahead and buy. Okay, so yeah, so then using that is actually based on my scalping strategy. Okay, using the 1 minute time frame is based on the scalping strategy. For this trade, I'm gonna I'll look at exiting at the resistance on the 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, I'll look at exiting there, and then I'll enter another trade once I see a 5 minute bullish candlestick. Okay, so the one with the 5 minute confirmation is the one I will enter and target. I'm going to target number one 26.43. Okay, and then number two I will target 26.57. Okay, so yeah, so let's see. We just need to wait. Okay, it's slowly making its way there. Slowly. Okay, so someone asking, let's check GPUSD. So I have GPUSD here. So let's check it. So it's actually not doing much. It's still moving sideways at yeah, that resistance 25.77. So yeah, so yeah, not much is happening. I'm still anticipating that the price is coming back down to 25.46. Okay, that's the target number one. I'm already in a trade for GPUSD. I took that trade on Avado.com. Where's the chart here? Okay. Alright, so yeah, so this is to just sell, and this is the targets here for those who are just joining. And this is a trade I took on this trading platform called Avado.com. I'm actually in a loss right now, $20 and $17. I have two positions open on GPUSD. So yeah, it's not in profit at this point, currently at a loss. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so gold, what is it doing here? Okay, so I can see with gold here, it hasn't returned back to 26.38 yet. Instead, what it has done, we do have this support. Okay, this is on the 1 minute time frame. So price, it looks like it used that support to bounce up. Okay, it's using that support to bounce back up. But the really good support to buy from is 26.37. So we're just going to be patient. Okay, be patient for the price to come down to that area for us to look for a buy. Okay, eventually it should get down there. Eventually. Which broker do you use? So there's two brokers that I use and recommend. First one is called abaro.com. This is it here, abaro.com. Really great platform to use. And the other one is FXCC. Okay, if I go on Google, FX, I have it on my bio actually. So just go to my bio and you're going to be able to see, click there, and you will be able to create an account. Okay, so FXCC, that's it. Okay. Okay, so I want to analyze Bitcoin. I need to analyze Bitcoin before I go up. Before I go up. So yeah, let me quickly open up the Bitcoin chart. Okay. All right, let's check BTC USD. All right, so BTC USD, see what's happening here. Oh, damn, okay. So Bitcoin's been going down over the last couple of days. FXCC is linked to, none of the brokers that I use is linked to MT5, but one of them, FXCC, is linked to MT4. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin right now is yeah, it's now looking bearish. Okay, you can see the market, the Bitcoin price here is, we were in this uptrend. I mean, we are still in an uptrend. Okay, we have this daily high. The price broke above, it's coming down to do a retest, and yeah, so this is our low here for price to break. Okay, and right now it's currently retesting this support 93,450, and it didn't hold it, it failed to hold it. We do have another support right here. Okay, 88,000, which is actually the last support price needs to hold in order to push back up. Okay, so if we can hold 88,800, we can push back up higher. Okay, if it doesn't, then it's gonna most likely start dropping further, yeah, further down. Okay, so okay, so this is Bitcoin. Now let's check on the 1 hour, see what is it doing on the 1 hour time frame. So this is the 1 hour time frame here for Bitcoin. Okay, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick setup here if we can find any on the 1 hour. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, we can see we're forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, price is currently in this downtrend, and this is our current resistance. Okay, on this 1 hour time frame right here. Okay, so this is the resistance. We're in this downtrend. Okay, So we can see price broke below this low, 91,800. It's coming back to retest now. It got rejected, so Bitcoin right now is a sell, guys. Okay, so we're selling off. The price is selling off. Okay, you can see we got rejected right here. Okay, this forms a lower high, so I believe price is heading down for Bitcoin here, coming back down to 90,000. So this is a sell. You can enter a sell here for Bitcoin. Stop loss above 93,300. Okay, Bitcoin is something that if you're a beginner, I don't advise to trade it. Okay, I don't advise to trade Bitcoin if you're a beginner, because the amount of pips you have to set for your stop loss is actually large. Okay, to enter really the best trade with Bitcoin, your stop loss with Bitcoin has to be quite a huge. Okay, usually anywhere between $500 and $1,000 of price difference. Okay, is a good stop loss for Bitcoin. So yeah, right now Bitcoin is a sell. Okay, it's a sell, and I am targeting number one, TP number one, 91,800. Okay, I'm gonna enter this sell on abato.com. Okay, let me just enter that sell right now quickly. So I'm heading to abato.com right now, and then I'm gonna search for BTC. Okay, so BTC USD, and then we'll use 1.0 last side, and then just enter a sell right now. Okay, so just enter this sell for Bitcoin. Okay, TP number one is at 91,900 and 970. Okay, TP number two is at 91,200. Okay, so let me just write it here for those who want to take that sell. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is it. I'm now open a second trade. First trade is on GOLD. Second trade is on Bitcoin. These are the results right now. First, this is the Bitcoin trade, currently up by 20.31 now. Okay, 38. And then the GOLD currently at $10, $14 loss. Okay, so yeah, these are all trades that's gonna probably take a few hours for the price to hit the target. So I can keep you guys updated on it tomorrow. For now, we're gonna call it a day. Gold is still not at the area to buy. Okay, so 26.38 or 37 is where I want to look to buy gold. Okay, and set the stop loss at 26.35. Okay, so that's where we're gonna buy gold. All right, guys. So we'll call it a day. And then lastly, actually, GPUSD, okay, is another thing that I just sold as well. Okay, with the correct chart. So GPUSD is another pair that I'm actually in a trade in. Okay, and yeah, it hasn't hit the targets yet, but these are the targets. First one is at 26.11. Oh, sorry, 25.52, and then 25.33. Okay. So that's it. All right, so we're gonna call it a night today. FXCC is available in Canada. Yeah, I plan to buy gold at 26.38. So between, let me actually be more precise, okay? But it's not exactly 26.38, because when the price goes to 26.38. Okay, so let me 1 second, guys.